All right, it is time to unbox this thing that I have been waiting for a very long time. Check it out. Finally, but I got the S380 CPS. Let's do this. Finally taking it out of the box. I have been wanting one of these for such a long time. It is very nicely packaged. It's got these heavy duty safety guards. There's all kinds of brackets and clips. Look at, I haven't even pulled it out of the box and already it's like super heavy duty. I can just tell this quality is second to none. Holy crap. That is like such a massive 14-inch blade. I'm so excited. This thing is gonna slice steel like a hot knife on butter. I'm gonna have to keep a close eye on this thing so it doesn't walk away. And of course, keep it out of the rain. Behold, in all of its glory, the S380 CPS. Whoa, I don't deserve it. I'm not worthy. Look at how heavy duty this is. I have never seen a saw this heavy duty. Look at this. It's like insane. It even gives you the measurements, 15, 30, 45, right there on the bottom. The fence, it lets you adjust the fence and it has preset positions right there on the bottom to where it makes it like error proof. Man, this is so nice. This is even better than I was thinking. This is going to save so much time. Up until now, I have been using an angle grinder for all of my cuts. We cut the zip tie to keep the handle and the shroud together because it's spring loaded. There you go. And that's how the blade is protected when you go up, or I'm sorry, when you go down. I absolutely love how it has a safety visor, like almost like a face shield, so you can see the cut as you're going down. No other saw has that. The level of detail on this saw is amazing, and it has 4 holes so you can bolt it down to the bench. I'm probably not going to do that because I'm going to use this saw everywhere. But look at this heavy duty spring. Super nice. I'm in love. I'm a huge fan. I'm a huge fan. Guys, you got to see this. It's got the preset 15, 30, 45 heavy duty spring. Okay, no other saw has a spring like that. And this is what I'm talking about, this visor right there where you can see through. This visor, absolutely amazing. Let's see how it looks like on the back side. Everything about this saw is heavy duty. And it just says precision. Nice ergonomic handle. I love the safety latch. You don't even have to squeeze the handle that hard to get it to engage. All right, stay tuned. I'll put the blade on. All right, I got the blade on. I love this visor right here so you can see what you're cutting as you go down. What's cool about this saw, it comes with extra different size plates for the 15-inch blade if you want to upgrade, or the stainless. And it comes with this removable plate that slides onto the backstop. So the purpose of this plate slides on. You can cut tube or angle. That is absolutely incredible. I have never seen that on a chop saw before. Love this thing. One thing I have never seen on any chop saw is a tray to catch all of the shavings. Okay, take two. Apparently you can't empty the tray for the shavings with the blade down. The blade has to be up. You have a tray to remove all of your shavings so you can keep your work area clean and clear. And it's spring loaded so that it comes out easy. You just push and turn with the Allen wrench. How cool is that? Nice and secure. What other chop saw has a tray for shavings? My very first cut. 3.5 by 3.5 by 3/16. Make sure everything's tight. Let's do this. That was insane. I have never cut anything that fast. There's no sparks. Cool to the touch. They always say all your cold cuts are fast, clean, easy, and cool. So it's not burning hot. You're not throwing sparks, creating a fire. This thing is way more impressive than I ever thought. Okay. Safety first. Face shield. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's level. Before you pull the trigger, make sure your blade is perfectly lined up exactly where you want it. Watch this. There's hardly any sparks at all. This thing is incredible. Watch. Ready? I saw the power cord move and I thought, oh no, am I going to cut the cord? That would be terrible, right? And cold to the touch. This saw is awesome. All right, let's do another one. Got the protractor marked out. Saw's ready. This section is level with the saw. It's tightened. Face shield. Let's go. Pretty impressive. I could have gone faster, but the harder you press, the faster the blade dulls out. If you go nice and slow and let the blade cut by itself, you'll get a bunch more life out of your saw. But overall, this thing cuts like a hot knife through butter. All right, I'm trying this angle adapter. You just slide it right on top of here, as you can see there. Then you turn your angle sideways so that the profile of your angle matches the adapter. Okay, this angle is a little bit wider than anticipated in the 3" by 3" leg, so I got this plate here so it doesn't slip off of the backstop. See how it's like it would slip off, so I got this plate. Okay, first time doing the angle sideways like this. I suppose I could lay it down, but since I have the adapter, may as well see what happens. It worked just as I thought. It cuts way faster than your traditional way to cut angle. Now most people do cut angle like this, laying down with these two edges. So that's fine. You can cut angle like that with an angle. I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. I love that you can fine-tune the angle on this amazing Evolution chop saw. Here's my angle finder. Like a glove. Perfect. And of course, get that fine-tuned on the saw as well, right up against the blade. So nice. Got the rafters up. Everything is secured to that ledger. There's well over 40 anchor bolts. Second rafter, third rafter, fourth, and fifth. And they're all approximately 10 feet apart. Now it's time for the purlins.